So in this video, I want to show you how to do color correct inside Photoshop using the image that we just rendered in Maya. Okay, so go ahead and open up the file. Okay. Now, rather than tweaking the light in Maya, what I usually do is that I like to color correct or apply a filter inside Photoshop, which I think is much faster than trying to tweak the light inside Maya until you get the result that you want. Okay, so this is the final step that I usually do before I do some final submission. Okay, so let's go to layer and then choose layer adjustment. Now, you can choose any of these, right? So in this example, I'm going to choose exposure. Okay, so exposure is the layer name. Okay, press OK, and this is the setting for that layer. Okay, so I want to make this a bit brighter. Okay, just slightly. Just make sure not too bright because everything will be overexposed. Okay, so somewhere around there. Okay. Okay, so when I'm happy, I'm going to apply some new adjustment layer as well. Okay, so maybe in this case, I'm going to choose level. Okay, press OK, and select the layer, and let's adjust this graph. So maybe I'm going to push this to the right, and kind of make like this picture a little bit more contrast. Right. Okay, be somewhere around there. Yeah. Okay. Now, again, you can have fun and experiment with all of these adjustment layer. So this time around, maybe I'm gonna choose some color balance, right? And probably gonna shift this to blue side, and let's see what it does. Okay, blue is kind of bad. Okay, so let's see yellow, red, right? To be something like that. Okay, so if you compare the after and before, you can see like there is a different color scheme happening in the render. Okay, you can also change the mode because right now everything's set to normal, so I can also change this to any of these mode. Okay, find the one that is suitable. Let's find color dodge. Right, but I'm going to reduce the layer opacity maybe all the way to 25, and this is after and that is before. Okay, so definitely there is some changes happening in the scene. Okay, so let's play around with this, reduce that a little bit. Okay, then compare after and before. Okay, so definitely things is brighter and it looks better. Okay, this is before and this is after. Okay, so I kind of like this look. Then once you're happy with this result, you can save this. Okay, maybe I'm gonna override it. Then you can submit this as the final submission. Okay, that's how you do color correction inside Photoshop.